Athirapilly Falls is situated in Athirapilly Panchayat in Chalakudy Taluk of Thrissur district in Kerala, India on the Chalakudy River, which originates from the upper reaches of the Western Ghats at the entrance to the Sholayar ranges. It is the largest waterfall in Kerala, which stands tall at 81.5 feet. Athirapilly Falls is nicknamed the Niagara of South India. Athirapilly Falls has been used as a location for several Malayalam films as well as in other regional language films in India. At the same time, the Athirapilly waterfalls are more than a mere picnic spot. The falls attract visitors from across India, especially during the monsoon months, June to September. Just a short drive from Athirapilly to the Waterfall Falls, which is close to dense green forests that are home to many endangered and endemic species of flora and fauna. The Waterfall waterfall is not as spectacular as the one at Athirapilly, but has its own charm. There is another waterfall on the way from Athirapilly to Waterfall Falls, in close proximity to the road, which is locally called Charpa Falls. Forest wildlife in the area includes the Indian elephant, Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, gar, sambar, and lean-tailed macaque. The unique 590 feet elevation riparian forest in the Athirapilly, Waterfall area is the only location where all four South Indian species of hornbills, the great hornbill, which is the state bird of Kerala, Malabar pied hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, and the Indian grey hornbill are found living together. In summer, when the waterfall becomes a trickle, Athirapilly slips back into its lazy rhythm. In the winter and monsoons, the spot is transformed into a bustling tourist destination. The winding roads that lead through small hamlets and villages nestled in the rich green forests also make the drive to Athirapilly one of the most beautiful in Kerala. Here we are presenting the aerial beauty of the falls. Thank you.